Tres. Cuatro. Enséñame cuatro. Show me four. Enséñame cuatro. So this year we're kicking off Pequeños Pasitos, which is a Spanish program offered to our 3-year-old and 4-year-old pre-K students here at Telge ELC. It is a program where our young learners get to learn all about Spanish. So far, they've learned about colors and numbers. So we feel very fortunate that we're able to offer this program to our students. It is the first year, so we're piloting it at one of our early learning centers at Telge ELC. Now, so far, parents have had great feedback regarding our program. Students are coming home, talking in Spanish. So it's just been a fun adventure for all of us. So we get to do a whole group, and then we take the classroom and we divide it into 2 smaller groups. Our instructor assistants, where they're going to be reviewing what has been taught previously and what they will be learning on as well. What is great about our program is that not very many pre-K students have the ability to take Spanish classes. So I feel like this is a great opportunity for the students in our program to be able to learn a language. I feel like they are on the path to amazing.